For the first time in 35 years, Pennsylvanians have died due to the measles. Thanks for joining us for Fox 43 News. I'm Evan Forrester. The state announced today that 2 people have died from the once eradicated disease, which continues to spread largely in Lancaster County. And that's where Fox 43's James Corrigan is live at the Lancaster General Women and Babies Hospital in East Hemphill Township. That's where Governor Shapiro and other health officials provided an update on the measles outbreak.
Yes, they did, Evan, and the wrong kind of history was made in Pennsylvania today as the state announced the first 2 measles deaths in the Commonwealth in 35 years. No information was given on the people who died except that they were not vaccinated for the disease. Governor Shapiro came here to the LGH Women and Babies Hospital today to ask Pennsylvanians to think of their neighbor and get their children vaccinated.
This disease does not respect county lines or religious lines. It goes after all who are unprotected.
Governor Shapiro addressed the 2 confirmed deaths from the measles and the outbreak in Lancaster County and throughout Pennsylvania, both in his role as governor and as a parent.
Folks are spreading skepticism about things like the MMR vaccine without any evidence to back up their claims. That scares a parent who's just trying to do the right thing by their kids.
The lack of vaccinations has led to 393 cases of measles confirmed in the state this year, the most since 1992, with 185 of those in Lancaster County. Health officials say 20% of all cases have resulted in hospitalizations. The disease is most common among children, and with thousands returning to school in Lancaster County in classrooms with low vaccination rates, officials like Dr. Jeffrey Martin of Lancaster General Health say they worry the highly contagious disease could spread quickly.
Not only are we seeing decreased vaccination rates across the board, we're seeing decreased vaccination rates when you look at 12th graders, 7th graders, and kindergartens. If you get vaccinated, you're protecting yourself, but you're really protecting those around you. And to me, that's an act of compassion.
It's an act that Health Secretary Deborah Bogan says has increased since the outbreak began in April, with the health department giving more than 4,100 doses of the MMR vaccine this year. While total vaccinations are up by 10,000 on a month-to-month basis, Lancaster County's unique religious makeup and misinformation about the proven vaccine has seen rates lower in many schools. The governor's message to parents is to trust their doctors to help them make the right decision on how to keep their children safe.
Please take in all the information you can, consider it, process it, and then go speak to an actual trusted healthcare professional to digest that information. This is one thing I'm counting on as a dad. If you're fully vaccinated, you're not getting the measles.
And as children head back to school here in Lancaster County, only 87% of kindergartners are vaccinated for the measles. And while there have been 91 Papa vaccine clinics here in the county this year, there remains widespread concern from state officials and the folks here at LGH that without more widespread immunity, there could be more people going to hospitals like this one for the measles. Live in East Hemphill Township, I'm James Corrigan with Fox 43 News.